This is a brief explanation of how to be sure that your MS Word document has been completely anonymized. This is the Macintosh Office 365 version. So here is the document. This is the guidelines for reviewers of TESL-EJ, the electronic journal for English as a second language. Now there are three places that you need to check. One is here where it says review, and then over here it says protect document, and you can see right here, remove personal information from this file on save. So if you check this and you save the document, any place where you had comments with your name will automatically be changed to just author. So that's one way. The second way is here under properties. If you go here to summary, you can see perhaps your name here. Just make it blank or put something else here that is perhaps useful to some people, but not your name. And then the third way is over here under Word Preferences. And here, there's user information. Make sure that this here does not have your name or your initials. So that is it. If you have checked all those three locations, then you can be sure that your name is not listed anywhere in a hidden location. Of course, you still have to be sure that your name and any other identifying information is not here in the text itself. That's all. Thank you very much.